Today I'm going to be reviewing Asacam's 12 by 42 military grade binoculars. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. These have 8K Ultra HD German ED glass. Very easy to adjust. Back here, adjust here and here. And what's really nice is that these have a lifetime warranty. When you get the box, you'll see a little card in there. You can just scan in. They'll do everything to make sure that you're happy, including replacing it if you break a lens or anything like that. So check that out. There you go. Let's take off the lens so you can see these. I just took them outside to go look in the night sky, and really pretty easy to focus in. They make it so it's really easy and it looks really good. I went for a star, the moon, and a light just to see how good the details were. Also, what's really nice about this, I'm going to take off these back ones here. This is rubber right here. So as they say, this is built like a tank. You can drop this and it is going to be okay. Instant lock sniper focus, as they say. So I took it out and I just went and tried to focus on things real quick. It was real easy. It was basically already good to go. You could fine tune it. What I really like besides the price is that these get 4.7 stars, and last month 200 plus of these were bought. So like people are buying these and they're liking them. I'm not seeing anywhere on here that these are getting returned. If you're looking for a nice pair of binoculars, this might be the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.